to make your own floating chair. First, you need water bottles. And then you need some duct tape. And also I recommend getting some rope just in case. And some tools to get off the handles. Now we are ready. This is my assistant. Just kidding, he's my husband. He will help me get off the handles and the labels. It broke. Okay.
Back to work.
Back to work, yes.
Huh?
All the handles and labels on the big bottles are taken off, and we have pre-planned our floating chair. Now we will get our duct tape and we will start connecting the bottles.
Good chair.
Yeah, perfect.
Now I think we have to build the supports under here with the small bottles maybe.
Good. And now for the back.
I think if we put a tape here and here.
Or maybe from underneath and up.
With bottles like this, so it won't fall over. It's actually nice. Give me a rope, please. We need to connect this with this so the back doesn't come off.
My how-to video on how to make a floating chair, please like and subscribe to my channel and comment